उदरगतीच्या नांवान भाजपा सरकार सामान्य लोकांक लुटता असो आरोप करीत युवा काँग्रेस समितीन पणजेन चलपी स्मार्ट सिटीच्या कामाचो खर निषेध करीत आंदोलन केले। सध्या स्मार्ट सिटी प्रकल्पाक लागून राजधानी पणजेंत वता थंय रस्ते खणून दवरल्यात। ह्या कामाक लागून जावपी प्रदूषणाचो त्रास थळाव्यांक सोंसचो पडटा। तशेंच एके वटेन येरादारीची कोयणी वाडत आसा तर दुसरे वटेन अपघातांचे प्रमाण वाडपाक लागला अशें म्हणीत युवा काँग्रेस वांगड्यांनी खंत उक्तायत हे काम बेगीनच्या बेगीन पुराय करपाची मागणी लेगीत केल्या।
Panjim has become haywire right now. It's a devastating situation where it's becoming intolerable for the Ponjekars. You all must have seen every corner, how especially Santinez area. If you all go take a round in Santinez area, तुमका कळटले कशे फोणकुला काढून ट्रक पडटा, लोक सुद्धा कितलो पडून गेला. Now we want to know why this is not stopping. Even if there is there are potholes taking place, why are there no traffic police to guide the people? The traffic should be controlled by the traffic police. There is nobody to control the traffic. The traffic has been just jamming up. People are suffering. Dust pollution, as already said earlier. What is this happening? We have been screaming, shouting. We've been taking so many protests before this also. But this is not stopping. I'm requesting the government, okay, if you all are even doing development, do development, but do it for a good cause. Don't do it at the cost of the innocent people. Some people are dying there. Some people are suffering dust pollution. Children could get affected because there are people cannot use their cars because of the traffic jam. So people are using bikes, taking bikes, and their children going to school, dropping them to school, becoming a haywire totally, especially in the afternoons, evenings. Come and see in the city what is happening. There's no place to park. Parking is becoming an issue. सो हांव मातशें गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन हात जोडून रिक्वेस्ट करता, हें करूं नाका मातशें. तुमी करता तुमचें करा, प्रॉफीट कितें करता ते पयशे करा, पूण आमच्या गोंयकारांक सफर करूं नाका.
सगळे भुरगे आयज पणजे आयल्या हो निशेध करपाक की डेव्हलपमेंटच्या नांवार जी चोरी जालेली आसा ते आमी निशेध करूंक आयज सगळे आमी हांगार एकठांय जाल्या. तुमी पळयलां आसतले की रस्ते बेश्टेच खणून उडयल्या. हय म्हणून रस्तो जाल्या म्हणून खण अशेंच सोडल्या तांणी. कशिनोचे रस्ते तुमी बरे ओवरनायट तुमी डांबर काडून सोडटा ते तुमकां बरे पावयता काय कितें? हे म्हाजें हो क्वेश्चन BJP गव्हर्मेंटाक. आमचे पयशे आमी टॅक्स पेयराचे पयशे जे आमी हार्ड एंड जोडटा ते तुमी हांगार मिसयूज करता. पॉट होल्स पळयल्यार तुमी ऑलरेडी 4 मेजर एक्सिडेंट जाल्ले. इमॅजीन पॅनजीम स्मार्ट सिटी डेव्हलपमेंट लिमिटेड जी कंपनी आसा पळय, दे हॅव फेल्ड टू गिव नेसेसरी फायनान्शियल स्टेटमेंट्स टू द गव्हर्मेंट. दे हॅव फेल्ड टू गिव financial statements and they have also failed to give their registration certificate. This is more than 1,000 crore scam which is happening right now. The BJP government is only fulfilling their pockets.